the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today, I'm going to show you how to make finger footballs. What you'll need first is a regular loose leaf piece of paper from your notebook. The thinner, the better. The first step you're going to do is you're going to fold it the long ways down, so it looks like this. Then you're going to fold it again. It's going to look like this. And I've just highlighted so you'll know where to fold it when you fold it in half. So from this step, you're going to take the piece of paper and fold it to the line and crease it. It's easier if you do it on a table. Then you're going to fold it up. And you're going to take this part and you're going to tuck it back. Fold it in and tuck it. Then you're going to take this piece and you're going to fold it down and crease, and then fold it again and crease. So from here, you're going to open it up. You're going to take this down and you're going to crease it again. And then just like we tucked this here, you're going to tuck it in here. Now with thicker pieces of paper, it's going to be a little harder to do, so you want to make sure again that you have thin paper. And then you're going to fold it over again, and then we're going to tuck it. So this part can be a little tough. Put it on the table and crease it really good. And then you're going to tuck it again. So you're going to open up. And there you have your finger football. We have a couple of different ideas you can do. You can do construction paper, which we suggest you want to start at this size paper if you're going to do construction because it is thicker, and you can color them and have fun with them. And there's a couple of different ways you can flick your football. You can also set up different kinds of goals and set things like this is going to be 5 points, or you can put another one on top and that's going to be 10 points. So different ways to flick your football. You can hold it on the top like this, or like this. Today I'm going to show you how to do this, and you're going to flick it. That one didn't make it in. Let's try this one. Oh! Well, thanks for joining us today. Please remember to join us every day on social media for tips, crafts, and more. And we would love to hear from you. So please post a picture or a video of this great craft today. Thanks.